The world's ocean, their temperature, chemistry, currents, and life drive global systems that make the Earth habitable for humankind. How we manage this vital resource is essential for humanity as a whole, and to counterbalance the effect of climate change. Over 3 billion people depend on marine and coastal biodiversity for their livelihoods. However, today we are seeing 30% of the world's fish stocks overexploited, reaching below the levels at which they can produce sustainable yields. Oceans also absorb about 30% of the carbon dioxide produced by humans, and we are seeing a 26% rise in ocean acidification since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution. Marine pollution, an overwhelming majority of which come from land-based sources, is reaching alarming levels with an average of 13,000 pieces of plastic litters to be found on every square kilometer of ocean. The SDGs aim to sustainably manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems from pollution, as well as address the impact of ocean acidification. Enhancing conservation and the sustainable use of ocean-based resources through international law will also help mitigate some of the challenges facing our oceans. The Philippines is an archipelago that is surrounded by bodies of water and full of biodiversity marine life, where many Filipinos depend on their livelihood. According to United Nations Philippines Sustainable Development Goal 14 targets that by 2025, prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution of all kinds, in particular from land-based activities including marine debris and nutrient pollution. 2020, sustainably manage and protect marine and coastal ecosystems to avoid significant adverse impacts, including by strengthening their resilience and take action for their restoration in order to achieve healthy and productive oceans. Minimize and address the impacts of ocean acidification, including through enhanced scientific cooperation at all levels. We, as a Filipino whose nation is surrounded by bodies of water, which we rely on with our livelihood as well as the ecosystem in the country, we can contribute to sustaining this resource just by not littering trash on beaches and seaside. A micro level can build up to macro level, with just a simple action can result in greater results. So why not we Filipinos return the favor to the ocean by just doing simple things that can help sustain the sea we now know of for the future generation?